In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add metrics in your Meta Ads report. This is a crucial skill for anyone managing advertising campaigns on Meta platforms, as it allows you to customize your reports to include the data that matters most to your business. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Ads Manager. This is your central hub for managing all your advertising campaigns on Meta. Once there, head over to the Manage Ads section and then click on Campaigns. This view will show you a list of all your current campaigns, providing a high-level overview of your advertising efforts. Next, direct your attention to the top of your screen where you'll find the Columns button. It's important to understand that this button is your gateway to tailoring your data view. By clicking on it, you're able to see a variety of preset columns that Meta offers, but we're aiming for a more customized approach. After you've clicked on Columns, look for the Customize Columns option. This is where the real magic happens. Clicking on Customize Columns will open a new window with a plethora of metric options. This step is essential for honing in on the specific data points you find most useful. Whether you're interested in engagement metrics, conversion rates, or CPC, this is your opportunity to add those specific metrics to your report. Now, it's time to select and add your key metrics. In the Customize window, you'll see a list of available metrics, allowing you to tailor your report to your specific needs. Take your time here to consider which metrics are most valuable to your campaign's goals. Are you looking to track conversions, or perhaps you're more interested in impressions or reach? Simply check the boxes next to the metrics you wish to include. Once you've selected your desired metrics, don't forget to save your changes. This ensures that your customized columns will appear every time you view your reports, making it easier for you to track performance over time without having to customize the view repeatedly. By following these steps, you'll have a Meta Ads report that's tailored to your unique needs, making it much easier to analyze performance and make informed decisions. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or new to the platform, customizing your reports is a powerful way to ensure you're getting the insights you need to optimize your campaigns effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate the intricacies of Meta Ads reporting with ease. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.